So here's the question that I have. Who is outside catching all of the mice? Because there are 6 in the house. 1 is in the basement. Do you know who's outside? Right, CB, my ancient house cat. Yeah, all the barn cats are in the house in front of the wood stove.
Long lead rope.
Oh.
Alongside that, switch arms. Go to that other field with the grass is greener.
Good girl. Keep clucking. Keep clucking to her.
Yeah, good girl.
And then stop and say, whoa.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Say my brakes aren't that great.
You gotta get a state inspection.
Good Lord. Y'all are crazy. You coming to get a drink? Crazies. Crazy. Wish I'd caught it on video. They were like a bunch of wild horses running. It was beautiful. Now they're all tired because they're out of shape. Oh God, that was funny. I know, right? See, I'm old. Can't be doing this stuff. Poor Charlotte. She didn't know what to make of it. You guys okay now? All right, now move that way a little. And then move around a little bit. Make sure, you know, it's like. All right, put your hands up like this. I know, I was thinking that. It's kind of tall. All right, I think we should be good. All right, guys. So Mark's getting the ladder. We're getting ready to, it's the first time we've done this in a really long time, and these trees have gotten really big. So these are dogwoods in our front yard, and we were deciding that we thought it'd be fun to hang some little solar lights that we have that our friends Marcy and Jason gave us, and they're really cool lights that we use when we go camping. So they run off of solar, so we thought it'd be fun to kind of get them up there. And we thought we'd bring you along because whenever Mark and I work on a project together, it's always, what's a good euphemism? Entertaining. So here we go. I have hot chocolate. I did not spike it. I probably should have, but yeah, so here we go. Go ahead and wave, Mark. And action. Yeah, but a team means 2 people do stuff. You're just standing there looking cute.
Yeah. All right, as you are.
don't even know if I'm going to film. And action. I really want to get one of them things that goes like this. Remember we bought these for SETI at the Quest? Remember?
I do.
Remember, that's not lit, so.
I know.
You want to hand it to me? Is that what you're saying? Well, this one's going to be harder to talk. Miss Mary Mac, all dressed in black, with silver buttons all down her back.
Good job.
I can't remember this. She asked her mother for 50 cents. You see the elephant jump over the fence. He jumped so high, touched the sky.
Do I
Never
get to do
came
anything?
back till 4th of July. Now you have to come up with one.
I don't have it.
How about the itsy bitsy spider?
Go up around and come back this way.
Went
back
up
down.
the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider
You guys didn't know you were getting all this singing.
went up the spout again.
Now, all together now. Group sing.
There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Earworm. B-I-N-G-O. Yeah. Good Mark. Go Mark. Give me an M. How do you do an M? M. Give me an A. A. How do you do an R? Do an R?
You're the cheerleader.
An R. Give me a K. Wait, is this a K? Aren't you glad you brought that ladder?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you want to do that? I hate that game. Hey, Mark.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm replacing the star with our Christmas wreath from my father and his girlfriend Sue, and we are going to put that up there.
Way up there. And we have a ladder. Mark's doing all of this because you ain't catching me up there.
We're going to add some colorful lights to the front of the barn also.
Oh, yeah, that's right. We're going to put those green and red. Yeah.
Stay tuned. You'll see a picture of that here right about now. How do you like it? Looks good, doesn't it?
Well, what if we don't do that? I hate that. I have to remember that now. You just made more work for me, Juris.
Picture in picture.
Editing. I was actually going to put a video in, but Maybe I'll be even extra fancy and take a video of the front of the barn and put it in right there.
Yeah.
Or here, or here, or here. Okay, all right, enough goofing off. We're gonna get started. And action. I don't even know if
High five, Billy. High five, buddy.
You're not on the. Hold on.
Hi, buddy. High five.
He says no.
Buddy. Hey. Where
Oh.
my high five? Billy. Billy, hey, hey. High five. High five.
Did we do a good job, Billy? Did we do a good job? Hey. Hello. Yeah? Billy says he needs a hat and mittens.
You want a hat, buddy? Here you go.
He says, hey, that's good.
That's the Carhartt.
There
That
you
keep
go.
warm.
That's fancy.